Okay, my name is Venugopal Reddy and I am from Engineering College and I had 2025 passed out and I had got to know about the JSpiders through the incubation. I had to got to know about the JSpiders through the incubation. JSpiders team has came to our college and had conducted an interview and they selected a set of peoples and I had cleared that interview and I came to JSpiders and coming to the JSpiders experience on the first day they had given demo class and the demo class had been conducted by the Keshav sir and he used to explain everything what should be there in the program, what should be there in programming language. In JSpiders there will be a presentation area where we have to present what they had teach in the morning. That will help in that helps us to get more about the topics and it will improve our confidence while we are going an interview, and they will conduct mocks at every weekend, every Saturday. That help us building in confidence for getting an interview. Coming to that, I am very thankful to the JSpiders team that they helped me a lot in building my technical knowledge. Actually, I am very low at technical knowledge. After coming to the JSpiders, I had built more in technical knowledge. I am very thankful to Pawan sir. He helped me in improving my Java basics and OOPS concepts and collections. And I am very thankful to the Guru sir. He teaches about Hibernate and JDBC, and I am very thankful to the Anugraha madam. She teaches me about Spring Boot and how the application will works and how to create an application. And so I am very thankful to overall JSpiders team, HR team, as they helped me in cracking the interviews by they used to conduct groomings before the placement. That helps me in knowing more about the company, and they had given me a right requirement to crack the interview. Thank you.